If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Siddhi Ki Kaksha. So today we will be starting with practice set 2.4, but practice set 2.4 is based on formula method. So first of all we will see the basics that we need for solving practice set 2.4. Okay, so I have told you many times that the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. ये मैंने पहले भी काफ़ी सारे एक्सरसाइजेस में बताया है. So I hope that each and every student knows what is the general form of quadratic equations. Okay, what is it? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. Okay, now what is the formula that we need for solving practice set 2.4? So the formula says x is equals to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. अभी फर्स्ट टाइम देखने में ये फॉर्मूला थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा, बट इफ यू प्रैक्टिस मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस देन दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी कंप्लीटली फिटेड इन योर माइंड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. Okay, so now let us start with practice set 2.4. So the first question says, compare the given quadratic equations to the general form and write values of a, b, c. So this is the equation given to us. The first thing that we have to do is we have to compare this equation with the general form and then we have to find the values of a, b and c. So जो question number 1 है वहाँ पे हमें ये formula नहीं use करना है. It will come in further questions. Okay, so now see how we will write the solution of this. First of all write this equation, then write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What do we get? Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get a is equals to 1. C, coefficient of x square is 1 here. Then b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to 5. Okay, this much is clear. So जो question number 1 की questions है, we have to solve only this much. We don't have to use this formula. So now see, I'll even solve the third one and second one will be for homework. So the question of third one is y square is equals to 7y. Y square is equals to 7y. Okay, so now here I'll do y square. I'll take this 7y to the LHS, that is left hand side. So y square minus 7y is equals to 0. Now what we'll write? Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We get, you can even write, we get, what do we get? A is here 1, b is minus 7 and c is 0. Okay, constant is 0 here. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now question number 2 is for homework. So copy this down and then we'll start with question number, see, question number 1 sub question 2, that is the quadratic equation given there is 2m square is equals to 5m minus 5. So that question is for homework. So mark that for homework and then we'll start with question number 2 that says solve using formula. Okay, so first of all copy this down. Okay students, so now let us start with question number 2. Now here it says that solve using formula. So first of all जो हमारा initial step है वो तो same ही रहेगा. We need to find the values of a, b and c. Because our formula was x is equals to, I'll write the formula for you here. X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Okay, I'll keep this formula here itself. So in the formula we need a, b and c. Other things are constant. We need a, b and c. So we'll compare this equation with the general form to get the values of a, b and c. So you all can write the statement comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What do we get? We get a is equals to 1. I'm repeating, you all write that whole step, okay? So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 6 and c is equals to 5. Okay, this much is clear. Now in the formula, can you all see we have to find b square minus 4ac. So there are two types of students. जो डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला में सब वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं और बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac भी वहीं पे सॉल्व कर देते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर लो एंड देन सब्सटीट्यूट दैट इन द फॉर्मूला. सो आई विल सजेस्ट योर दैट फर्स्ट फाइंड बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ओके, सो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac is equals to, what is b here? 6. So 6 square minus 4, a here is 1 and c is 5. Okay, 6 square is 36 minus 20. So this will be 16. B square minus 4ac will be 16. Okay, now we write the formula. So x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, it will be b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute the values here. What is b here? B is 6. So you will write minus 6 plus minus. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? 16. So write root 16 upon 2 and a is 1. Now we will simplify it. Minus 6 plus minus. What is root 16? So it is 4 upon 2. Okay. Now see, we have solved till here. X is equals to minus 6. Just a second. X is equals to minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. Now you all know that in quadratic equations we get two answers for our variables, correct? So now you will understand that why do we have here plus and minus. But before that, from here you can take 2 common. So you can write x is equals to, take 2 common, inside will be minus 3 plus minus 2 upon 2. Okay, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now x is equals to, what is remaining? Minus 3 plus minus 2. So one time take x is equals to minus 3 plus 2 and x is equals to minus 3 minus 2. So x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 5. Okay, these are your two possible answers for x. That is, x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 5. So now I hope that you all are clear how do we have to use the formula. First of all, write the equation, compare it with the general form and remove the values of a, b and c. Then find b square minus 4ac, square it, or you can highlight it. Okay. Then write the formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Keep on writing this formula until, and keep on even repeating it whenever you all are writing, so that this formula will be completely fit in your mind. Okay, then substitute all the values and further simplify it, so you will get two answers for your variable. Now here the variable was x, so we got the answer as x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 5. Okay, so I hope this sum was clear to you all. Make a note of this sum and then we will start with the next sum. Okay students, so now let us start with question number 3. Question number 2 is also for homework, since it is the same, it is similar to question number 1. It is not same, it is similar. Okay, so now see, question number 3 says 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equals to 0. Now isko ye general, sorry, this is not the general form. The general form says ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What is the general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, this is a general form of a quadratic equation. So comparing with general form, what do we get here? We get a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 7. Okay, then what is the next step? We have to find b square minus 4ac. Okay, so here b is 2, so 2 square minus 4, 3 into minus 7. 2 square is 4. Now see here, 4 3s are 12 and just a second, 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s will give you 84. So it will be 84, but this is minus and minus. So minus into minus will get plus. Okay, keep just a second, this is plus 84. So always remember to check the signs before you all find your b square minus 4ac. Okay, so now this will be 88. B square minus 4ac. This seems very small. I write from here. B square minus 4ac. Okay, now we'll substitute this in a formula. So what does the formula says? X is equals to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now substitute all the values here. So x will be, x is equals to minus of 2 plus minus, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? It is 88. So it will be square root of 88 upon 2 and the value of a here is 3. Okay, then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Now see, root 88 means, what is root 88? It is 22 4za, correct? 22 4za is root 88. You all can calculate it. So we can write it as 22 into 4, correct? And this will be 3 2za 6. Now see here, x is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Now root 4 will be, root 4 is 2. So you can write 2 outside and keep this root 22 inside. Upon, in the denominator it is 6 upon 6. Then x is equals to, now from the numerator take 2 common. So 2 minus 1 plus minus square root of 22 upon 6. So this will be 2 1za, 2 3za 6. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. Now separate it. So what will be the answer for x? Minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. Correct? It will be minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, and what will be the other answer? X is equals to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. Okay, these are both of your answers. So highlight your final answers. Okay, so I hope question number 3 is also clear. So even this method is easy, but provided that you need practice for it, because many students make mistake while changing the signs. Okay, plus minus का थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाता है. So with practice you will learn it. Else the topic is very easy. Okay, so copy this down and then we will see the next sum. Okay students, so now let us start with question number 5. 6, just a second, 4 and 6 are for homework. So I did the 3 questions and 3 questions are for homework. So now see, question number 5 says y square plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. Now I have told you all this many times that हम लोग को अगर कभी भी कोई भी कोएफिशिएंट अगर हम लोग को फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में मिलता है, so we cannot, मतलब we can solve it in the form of fraction, but it is difficult. So what do we have to do? We have to remove this denominator. So for removing denominator, we multiply the whole equation by the same number which is given in denominator. So here in denominator we have 3. So we will multiply the whole equation by 3. So you can write multiplying by 3. Multiplying by 3. Okay, it will be 3y square plus y, because 1 upon 3 into 3y, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled, so it will be y is equals to 3 2za 6. Okay, now this is your actual equation. So now 3y square plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. I brought minus 6 here, I brought 6 to the LHS because I wanted in the form of general equation. Okay, so now we got the form equation, that is 3y square plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. So now we will compare it with the general form and we will get a is equals to not 1, it will be 3, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus of 6. Okay, then the next step is we have to calculate b square minus 4ac. So b, that is 1 square minus 4, a is 3 and c is minus of 6. So this will be 1. 4 3s are 12 and 12 6 are 72, and this will get added. So it is 1 plus 72, so 73. B square minus 4ac is 73. Okay, now we substitute this in our formula, that is x is equals to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Okay. So now x is equals to minus of 1 plus minus, this is root 73 upon 2 into a. Okay, not only 2, it is 2 into a. Just a second, I have mistaken here, it will be 2a. So this will be 2 and 2 3s are 6. So you can directly write here 6. So this is minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 3 2s are 6. Okay. So x will be -1. Now you can directly separate because we don't have anything in common here. So you can directly separate the answers. X is equals to -1 plus root 73 upon 6 and x is equals to -1 minus root 73 upon 6. Okay, so these are both of your answers for this question. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So copy this down, and question number 2, 4 and 6 of means sub question 2, 4 and 6 of question number 2 are for homework, because this formula method needs a lot of practice. So that is I have given these 3 questions for homework, and they are very easy and similar to the questions that I have done. So copy this down, and then we will solve question number 3, which is the last question of this exercise. Okay. Okay students, so now let us start with the last question of this exercise. So the question says, with the help of the flowchart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 using the formula. So अगर आप लोग वो चार्ट को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं, so that flow chart is just the steps जो मैंने आप लोग को सारे सम्स में बताया है. तो कुछ ऐसा डरने वाली बात नहीं कि ये फ्लो चार्ट में क्या गिवन है. सी आई रीड द फ्लो चार्ट फॉर यू. द फर्स्ट बॉक्स सेज compare equations x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Find the values of a, b, c. That is general form से compare करना है and we have to find the values of a, b and c. Then the second box says find value of b square minus 4ac, which we do in all the sums. Then the third says write formula to solve quadratic equation. वो भी हम लोग हर बार लिखते हैं. Then substitute values of a, b, c and find the roots. Roots मतलब जो हम x के 2 आंसर्स निकालते हैं, that are known as the roots of the quadratic equations. ठीक है. So basically हमें वही सब स्टेप्स लिख के दिए जो हम हर क्वेश्चन में फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं. So it is the same question. So first of all compare it with the general equation. It is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 root 3 and c is equals to 3. Okay, and then we'll find b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equals to, now this is 2 root 3 the whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 3. Now see, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So it is 3. I have taught you all this many times, that is मैंने linear equations in 2 variables में भी काफ़ी बार बताया था. एंड यहाँ पे भी जब हम लोग फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड सीख रहे थे तभी भी मैंने बताया था कि रूट का क्या कंसेप्ट होता है. रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 विल गिव अस 3. सो इट इज 3 माइनस, एंड दिस इज 4 3s are 12. सो इट इज 4 3s are 12 minus 12 which gives us 0. That means therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Okay, इतना क्लियर है? Just a second, this will be b square minus 4ac. Okay, so now we'll write this in our general, not in a general form, but in a formula. So what is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. अब मैंने आज के लेक्चर में इतने बार ये फॉर्मूला बोल दिया है, काफ़ी बच्चों को अब तक याद हो भी गया होगा. नहीं याद हुआ है, सो जस्ट लाइक मी, जब भी आप लोग सॉल्व करते हो फॉर्मूला बोला करो, तो उस तरीके से आप लोग को फॉर्मूला याद हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इज माइनस बी और मीन्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ b, 2 root 3. सो राइट माइनस 2 root 3 प्लस माइनस रूट b square minus 4ac is 0 upon 2 and a is 1. So this will be x is equals to minus 2 root 3 upon 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. अब यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस रूट 0 है, तो मतलब हम रूट 0 विल बी 0. सो प्लस माइनस 0, सो वो अल्टीमेटली 0 ही आने वाला है. तो हमारा आंसर यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? x is equals to minus root 3. What will be our answer? x is equals to minus of root 3. ओके, यहाँ पे माइनस रूट 3, दैट मीन्स हमें एक ही आंसर मिला है. तो आप लोग इसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो. हम लोग हमेशा कैसे लिखते हैं? माइनस रूट 3 प्लस 0 अपॉन 2 एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस रूट 3 माइनस 0 अपॉन 2. सो दोनों जगह पे आंसर तो सेम ही आने वाला है ना, एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस रूट 3. दैट इज फॉर दिस इक्वेशन द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज माइनस रूट 3. ठीक है. सो ये सम भी समझा होगा, बहुत ही ईजी है ये. सिर्फ फॉर्मूला याद रखने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है मे बी, एंड प्लस माइनस में गड़बड़ होते हैं. सो मेक श्योर कि आप लोग इसका प्रैक्टिस करो तो आ जाएगा फटाफट. First of all, copy this down and then we'll talk further. Okay students, so with this I have completed 4 exercises of quadratic equations. अब हमारे 2 एक्सरसाइज और प्रॉब्लम सेट बचा है, वो भी जल्दी ही हो जाएगा. 2.6 might take a little time since it is word problems, but trust me वो भी फटाफट हो जाएगा. 2.5 तो बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी है, where we'll be dealing with nature of roots. Okay, so with this I am ending this lecture. लेकिन जाने से पहले अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड वन मोर अनाउंसमेंट इज दैट कि अपकमिंग मंडे को मैंने और एक क्विज रखा है. जैसे हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन 2 वेरिएबल्स के लिए क्विज रखा था, उसी तरीके से अब सिमिलैरिटी के लिए अपकमिंग मंडे को क्विज है, दैट इज ऑन 19th जुलाई. सो आई वांट यू ऑल टू पार्टिसिपेट. इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है वो कंपटीशन और मैं अपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में भी क्वेश्चंस डाल दूंगी. सो यू ऑल डू पार्टिसिपेट एंड यू कैन इवन गिव मी द आंसर्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, और एज वेल एज मैं उसके लिए जो वीडियो डालूंगी आप लोग वहाँ पे भी उसके कमेंट्स में आंसर दे सकते हो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.